Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are about to do our first DIY in our home for 2026. So happy New Year's guys. So on this wall, I always have a problem with it. I don't use this space in the home because of the plain wall. It just looks like something is always missing. At first I had 3 circular mirrors on this space, but I took them down a while back because I just outgrew it. So we decided to go to Lowe's and got some molding to add some picture molding on the wall to give it a little more character. So here you can see my husband already cut them to this. I already draw out the sketch on the wall how it's going to look, and now my husband is going to go ahead and add them to the wall. And the difference this make on the wall is simple but so elegant. I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about adding picture molding to your wall, this is a sign for you guys. Go ahead and do it. Just do it, like the Nike sign. This looks so good when it's finished. I am sure I was wondering, like, why didn't I do this sooner? But with the decorating your home, it's always good to take your time and see what you like best. And now I'm going to go ahead and caulk all the areas and fill the nail hole. And this is the most tedious part. I think I lose about 10 pounds going up and down from adding the silicone and patching all the wall. Now it's to go ahead and prime, and I'm using the 123 primer. I think I got it from Walmart, and this is so tedious, but this make or break it. Make it look more professionally done. When you seal all the cracks, all the nail holes, this turned out so good. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this at home or did you hire someone else to get it done. But this is so beautiful. I just love how it turned out. At first I started just doing this one side of the wall, and then I was like, why, even though that we have the cabinet on the other side, I was like, let me go ahead and do both sides, because you never know when you move the cabinet or style something differently how it would look with just one side done. So I went ahead and did the entryway right here, because here was missing a spot, missing something, because we didn't do this section, but because we had the paneling on the wall of the entryway, I think right here missing something. So we did, I went ahead and add molding here also. So that's what I'm doing, caulking and filling in all the nail holes, priming. I'm using the same color paint as the wall to paint them, so it's just adding character to the wall, and I just love how it turned out. So guys, this looks so good. This eat down. When I tell you this eat, it really did eat. I absolutely love how this turned out. So now it's time to go ahead and just, oh my god, I just love it. Let me know in the comments what do you think about just this little DIY and the big transformation that it made for the space. So now it's done. Let us go ahead and bring back in the cabinet and decorate the cabinet. Let's go guys. This is so beautiful, and a little helper has to be here to assist and to help. So let's go. So let's move back on to decorating guys. So on the top shelf I use 3 vases. I always try to anchor each cabinet with a large vase. For the first vase I put in, that was from CB2. That's one of my favorite vases. I decorate it all over my home, and I have 2 CB2 vases and one from Home Goods, which I love. And I bring in this wood wicker basket, and I keep it standing up. And guys, I love how this turned out. This paper book from RH, and this paper mache bowl with some moss balls. I just add it in. Every shelf have its own moment of speaking. On the 3rd shelf I bring in some more paper mache books and just add this decorative ball. It's very heavy. and a picture frame in the back to break up some of the creams, and this beautiful vase that I DIY the color. I think it was a kind of brownish color, and I just painted and add some flowers, and this one is finished. Let's move on over to the next cabinet, which I'm going to do symmetry, similar but not exactly same, similar vase. And to the top I add greenery, some olive leaf stems just to break it up, and then I bring in another picture frame on the back and a wooden tray with some fireballs, and this turned out absolutely beautiful. Then I bring in on the third shelf, I bring another picture frame, a vase from CB2 with some green stems from Amazon. I love these stems, guys. These stems are so beautiful, and more books and 2 candles, LED candles, and I am just loving how everything turned out. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. One thing I like to do sometimes is step back, look at it, and turn whatever I like or add or take away things before I get the complete finished look. And just on the mantle here, I'm just going to add another vase from Pottery Barn and a candle and a mini vase, and these chairs from Denver, and they are absolutely beautiful. And then, you know, the little helper has to come in, and he decided that I'm doing the coffee table cleaning today, so I let him do his thing, and of course he has to go on the top of it. He is such an amazing helper. I'm so blessed for him. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel on all my social media platforms. And then let's go back on to decorating. So I bring another book from RH, and this vase is from Amazon, and when I tell you, these magnolia stems are so stunning. I ordered another set. The first seller that I bought these one was sold out, and I ordered another set of them from another vendor on Amazon, and they were horrible. But I can't wait for the same vendor that I ordered these ones from to be back in stock, because these are absolutely beautiful. I love everything about these stems. So here I'm just adding a bowl which I fill with paper, and then I add the moss on the top, and that turned out so beautifully. Adding my cushion colors to the chairs, and this brown leather pillow, guys, I got it from Walmart. I just changed the filling and it turned out so beautiful, and this is how my 26 living room looks. I'm in love. Let me know, guys, what you think. I hope to see you on the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next week when a new video drops.